welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you a drawing board. So the construction of the drawing board is complex, so I will be showing you a time-lapse video of the construction. And followed by a program which is relatively easy, and then I will show you the robot. I really hope you enjoy the video. So here are the components of the EV3 kit. There are three systems for this robot: the turntable, the pen arm, and the pen holder. Now I am building the turntable. As you can see, the turntable has a motor and gears which makes it turn. Okay, so the EV3 brake is attached to the turntable. So now I am attaching the touch sensor, which when touched will start the robot. Now I am building the pen arm. It also has a motor which makes the arm go up or down. Now I am attaching the pen arm to the turntable. As you can see, the robot can turn and the arm goes up and down. Now it is time to make the pen holder. Now I am fixing the pen holder to the pen arm. And now the robot is ready.
Okay guys, now we have seen the construction, and now let me show you the program. Okay, so the construction is actually pretty complex, but the programming is comparatively easy. Okay, so now let's get started. I don't want my robot to start running unless somebody touches the touch sensor state. And so there are three states, which is released, pressed, or bumped. And I'm having it at pressed, which is just one. Okay, and then first at the starting, the pen will be at the top, but to bring that down, we should take out a large motor which is used to move just one motor. And then in the port, I connected it to port C, and it will be on for degrees. And I have to reduce the speed, and it has to be -20 because it has to go backwards, but then in that robot backwards means coming down, so I am putting it at -20, and according to my calibrations it was at 65 degrees. And then we have to stop the motor. Port C and off. Okay, so now the rest of the code, it should be looping through that so that it happens again and again. Okay, and then now we should again use the large motor, but this time it is port B because it has to move the pen around in order to draw the arc that we need. So to go on for degrees, it's speed 20, and it has to go for like 100 degrees, and then stop right there. sorry, and it will go off. But then now it should just stay there, because then if we do that, it will just keep on going. It will go and it will stop. So then now we have to bring it back to where we started from. Okay, so here we'll give -20 so that it comes backwards, and again 100 degrees, so that it will come to the exact same place it started again. And since we put the loop, it will come back again and again and again. Hey guys, and we should stop it. If we don't stop it, then it will be a big mess. Okay guys, as you can see, the programming is fairly simple, so you can do it at home if you have the EV3 lab software. And now let me show you how the robot works. Thank you.
Okay, so when I touch the touch sensor, the pen arm goes down. A pen is put in the pen holder. The robot makes back and forth motion, drawing the arc. These kind of robots are used in CNC machines, which is used to turn a digital design on a computer into a physical object with a tool. Instead of the marker, we will fix a tool, but the mechanism is the same. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye.